Good day, ma'am. I'm Trajan Cabreros from BSED Science 1B, and I'll share a brief information about what we have learned from our lesson, the school culture. So, what is school culture itself? School culture refers to the prevailing of attitude, belief, values, and practices that shapes the interactions and behavior of within a school community. It encompasses everything from how students, teachers, and administrators communicate to the norms and traditions that define the institution. A positive school culture fosters supportive and conducive environment for learning and uh, personal growth. It enhances students' engagement, motivation, and overall well-being. Additionally, it promotes collaborations among teachers, administrators, and students, leading to improved academic performance and higher levels of achievements. So the main goal of school culture is to create an inclusive and supportive environment where all members of the school community feel valued, respected, and motivated to learn and to grow. It also aims to cultivate a positive atmosphere and fosters academic excellence and personal development and social and emotional well-being. Thank you.